Hi, this video is about garden edging, and in this video we are not only going to share with you designs but also will share with you few tricks regarding this. So here are few tricks to choosing the best lawn edging techniques. So decorating your garden with gravel, shaping is not hard but requires focus. If you want a clean line and modern look, consider decorative gravel or fine splayed chippings. You will need a bamboo cane and strings, sand, half moon, turf cutter, sharp border, spade and edging strip. Define an area along the exterior wall of your house and use edges to complete the border. If you have a trees, try a bed that surrounds and conceal the base. Rocks or stones can create a border around the flowers or garden. This idea comes from outdoor areas. River rocks are wonderful borders for a garden. Check out the organic design features in this video. Rocks are an easy way to add diversity to your garden. If you are short of ideas and don't like bricks, you will find that rocks are ideal for preventing dirt from overlapping your manicured lawn. If you don't like plastic edging, bricks are a popular garden option compared to other edging ideas. Bricks might be the most accessible. They are ideal for garden edging and flower beds. You can make a border that will also impact adjacent lawns. Check out more ideas from our previous video, and in this video, as you can see, there are many types of ideas. You can create your border edging with woods or metal or bricks or plastic. If you need inexpensive garden edging ideas that are easy, look at this one from Gardeners. Plastic interlocking piece make a clean edge between your lawn and flower beds by pounding the pieces into your topsoil with the rubber mallets. Lawn edging bricks offer a rustic look and complement a brick patio or garden. They work the same with garden edging. You will need building sand, cement, a trowel, rubber mallet and a rake. Follow the border until it's edged. You can find more tips in a previous video regarding brick border edging. Brick might be the most common non-plastic material used to make an edge and a good option if you don't want to use stones. Weathered steel will give your lawn and garden bed a complete industrial vibe. Lay steel edging around your flower area. Create a more modern structure in your backyard. The rusty weathered look is sublime because of the visual connection it establishes with the natural environment. If you need a solid border idea, concrete might be your best bet. You can fill the concrete into your desired shape for a flush border. Wood edging is a natural option. Like stones, you can cut wood boards and bury them halfway in the ground to create a border around your flowers. The small borders will look like a miniature fence. Make sure the wood planks overlap, prevent dirt from slipping through. The lawn edging kit is one of the easiest and most versatile kits. There's no need for digging because you can pound each piece into the garden with a rubber mallet. Plastic interlocking sections will give you a smooth line and together they form a 20-foot long edge. You can also bend the sections to form corner pieces to shape your design however you want. Another great option is a landscape edging coil. It's versatile when creating clean and beautiful lines to delineate pathways or to make raised garden beds. The foxwood grain texture and the color look beautiful and add a natural look. With edging, it blends into the landscape. This is also a flexible edging coil that you can bend and curve to create your desired shape. The edging looks like natural staked slate. The heavy-duty plastic is flexible and can bend around corners. It offers easy installation and doesn't require extra labor. The stakes allow you to stand the pieces into the topsoil, connecting them according to your design. When every piece is combined, it creates a 20-foot long edging. Aluminium edging is an non-toxic frame made of recycled materials, making it an eco-friendly choice. It's also corrosion resistant and doesn't require maintenance. Unlike bricks, for installation, slide the edge of the pieces together and insert the spikes into the topsoil. You can bend the pieces around the curves or create natural shapes and designs. The kit comes in black, brown, bronze and silver. So at the end of this video, we would like to request you, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Have a nice day. Bye bye.